Cats have a remarkable ability to land on their feet when they fall, a phenomenon known as the riding reflex. This reflex is an instinctive, automatic response that enables felines to orient their bodies in midair and land safely on their paws. The mechanism behind this ability is a combination of physics, biology, and evolutionary adaptation. The riding reflex begins to develop in kittens as early as 3 weeks old and is fully refined by 7 weeks of age. The key to this reflex lies in the cat's vestibular system, a sensory apparatus located in the inner ear that provides information about balance and spatial orientation. This system helps the cat detect changes in position and allows it to make rapid adjustments to its posture. When a cat falls, the vestibular system quickly determines which way is up, and the cat instinctively rotates its head to align with the ground. This head movement is followed by a series of precise body movements that correct its orientation in midair. A cat's flexible spine plays a crucial role in this process. Unlike humans, who have relatively rigid spines, cats have extraordinarily supple backbones with about 50 vertebrae, allowing them to twist their bodies in ways that most other animals cannot. This flexibility enables them to rotate their front and rear halves independently, facilitating the rapid realignment needed to land feet first. When a cat falls, it typically first twists its head to face the ground. Then, using the momentum generated by this motion, it rotates its front legs, followed by its hind legs, until its body is properly positioned. This movement occurs so quickly that it can be completed in less than a second, even during a short fall. Cats also use their tails to assist in this maneuver, although the tail is not essential for the riding reflex. The tail can help provide balance and minor adjustments in positioning, particularly in longer falls, but even tailless cats, such as the Manx breed, can successfully right themselves due to their highly flexible spines. Another important factor in a cat's ability to land safely is its low body mass relative to its surface area. This gives cats a high terminal velocity resistance, meaning they experience relatively lower impact forces compared to heavier animals. When a cat falls, it instinctively spreads its legs to increase air resistance and slow its descent. This action is similar to a parachute effect, which helps reduce the force of impact when the cat reaches the ground. Research has shown that cats falling from higher distances often suffer fewer injuries than those falling from lower heights because they have more time to reach terminal velocity and position themselves optimally for landing. In a study of cats brought to veterinarians after falls from varying heights, it was found that cats falling from higher than 6 stories often had fewer injuries than those falling from 2 or 3 stories. This counterintuitive result is due to the cat's ability to relax its body and distribute the impact force more evenly over a larger surface area, reducing the risk of severe trauma. Evolutionary adaptation has played a significant role in the development of the riding reflex. Wild cats often navigate trees and other elevated surfaces, where the risk of falling is higher. Over time, natural selection favored felines with superior agility, flexibility, and quick reflexes, allowing them to survive falls and avoid injuries. These traits have been passed down to domestic cats, who retain the same remarkable ability despite living in human environments. In addition to the riding reflex, cats also have strong, muscular legs that absorb the shock of landing. Their paws are equipped with thick pads that help cushion the impact, reducing the likelihood of fractures or other injuries. Despite these adaptations, however, cats are not invulnerable to fall-related injuries, and pet owners should take precautions to prevent falls, particularly from great heights such as apartment balconies or open windows. The science behind the riding reflex is a fascinating example of how biology and physics work together to create an extraordinary survival mechanism. Through a combination of an advanced vestibular system, a highly flexible spine, rapid muscle coordination, a low terminal velocity, and evolutionary adaptations, cats have developed an incredible ability to land on their feet in most situations. However, while this skill increases their chances of survival, it does not guarantee absolute safety, and responsible pet care remains essential in protecting them from harm.